Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're making these banana muffins with Nutella swirl. Absolutely delicious. I just love them. Great with a cup of coffee and for breakfast, whatever you like. So let me walk you through this. So what I've got here are a couple of bananas, and the riper the better. And I'm just going to go ahead and mash these up. Now I'm going to add in half a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, crack in an egg, a few drops of one of my all-time favorites, vanilla extract, and of course whisking we will go. After that, I'm going to fold in half a cup of pecans. Now you can use walnuts, whatever you like. It's totally optional, but you know, I just kind of like this. In a separate bowl, we're going to do our dry ingredients with a cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Whisk these together. So we'll just go ahead and dump this into the banana mixture. Then I'm just going to fold these together until they're well combined. Next up, I'm going to line a muffin tray with some muffin cups. Spoon our mixture in. Now I'm using an ice cream scooper here, but you know, you can use what you like. And this is about, I'd say, 3 scoops, depending on the size of your scooper. Okay, now we're going to put a little swirl of Nutella into the center. And I just love this stuff. Just a little dab into the center, and I've nuked this so it kind of melts down. And I should mention too, if you're not a fan of Nutella, you can use just chocolate or something like that. Now I'm just going to swirl this around. I love swirling, it's so fun. And this looks so good. I'm using a skewer here, but you can use, you know, the device of your choice. Now we're going to slip these into a 350 degree Fahrenheit or 177 Celsius preheated oven for about 17 minutes. After 17 minutes, there you have it guys, our banana muffins with Nutella swirl. It smells absolutely delicious. So I'm just going to go ahead and put these on a wire rack to cool. Okay, let's give this a taste test. Absolutely gorgeous and delicious. I just love it. The fluffiness, the Nutella. Put some butter on them. Cup of coffee would be a gorgeous, delicious breakfast. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. Thanks for subscribing. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.